Hey, welcome back, everyone. So, got some updates for you. Stay tuned. Okay, so just got back from looking at a building. Sounds like we might be buying a new shop. So it's gonna happen. Talked to my business partner and his wife, and my wife. So it sounds like we might be moving to a bigger building instead of my lovely garage. So that's good. That's the best update I have right now. It's in rough shape, so it's going to take a lot of work, but I'll be able to move all the projects there under one roof instead of, being outside like that right now. And everything, all the new parts in the back of a truck. So, with that being said, let's do some work on this thing so I can get the exhaust and the rear suspension out of the back of the car. So we have this lovely stock LT1 brake setup. It's eventually going to go away. I don't know when, but eventually. So we have our new struts, and they obviously go the other way. Those are upside down right now. So we're going to get those put up in there, and I'll be right back. I just want to show you guys something before I get any farther. For those of you that do not know the front suspension of these, it goes like that. So this upper control arm plate goes on top of your strut, and then the whole unit goes up in there, and then the bottom bolts right in there, right there. So I'm gonna get moving on this, and I'll be right back. It goes in there right like that. And then we have bolts that go in through there, and right like that, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get this bolted up, and I'll be right back. So once you get that in there, the bolt head is a 13 and the nut is a 15. So then you lower the upper control arm down to the knuckle, and you put your ball joint on. And then make sure your tie rod end and your lower ball joint is tight. My lower ball joint is loose, so get the cobwebs off of it. And I'll take care of that. I'll be right back. Okay, she's all in there. Don't ask me torque specs. I don't know. I probably should, but I tighten these. A couple ugga duggas. There's your torque spec. So I'm gonna keep working on this, get the other side put in, and maybe if I have time, I'll get at you guys and we'll work on the rear suspension. It's gonna be a chore. It's all adjustable panhard bars, lower control arms. It's a lower control arm relocation brackets also. So that one it's gonna be a little difficult. I've never installed one of those on these, or this type of suspension on these, so we'll figure it out, and maybe we'll do a video tour on it, and we'll have some fun, get this thing back on the ground here soon. But as always, like, subscribe, comment, ask questions, throw some hate, love it, whatever you guys want to do. But for now, deuces.